Hello, children. Today we are going to see the topic that is from garrison town to the empire, the expansion of Delhi Sultanate. I hope you understand the last topic, right? Last topic was finding out about Delhi Sultan, and we studied about the birthright and gender distinction. These were the key words of that lesson, and that was that topic. And we studied about the Tuareg, how their role of the Tuareg. Now, in this topic, we are going to study the garrison town. Now, what is garrison town and how the Sultan expanded their territories? We are going to see in this topic, and how the Delhi Sultan will created a Delhi Sultanate, how they rich. So it was earlier 13th century. The control of Delhi or Sultan is rarely went beyond heavily fortification town occupied by the garrison. Means in 13th century they are not that much, only whatever in that garrison they used to do the work. We are going to before we start this one the topic, you should know the keywords of many keywords in this topic. Okay, the first two important terms you have to understand or you have to remember, that is hinterland. Hinterland means the land adjacent to the city or a port that supply with the goods and services. So that means if suppose you are in your territory, there is a mountain or there is a port, you are going to capture that. Or that is a hinterland where you are going to supply, the goods are coming and going and demand was fulfilling from there. Okay, the services are going from there. So that is nothing but hinterland. Like if you are staying nearby the Godavari river, so that is a Godavari is a nothing but it's come in the hinterland, right? Then garrison, I think so we had studied in last year also this hinterland. Now next point is garrison town. Now what is garrison town? Garrison town means a fortification settlement with the soldiers. The soldiers having their big armies, they fortificated their land because they had that much power. The king used to give that much power to them. They granted land to them, so they become a powerful, and for that they used to they made their fortification. And I think so you know the meaning of fortification. These two points you must remember. And there are so many new words in this topic. You can find out the new words and write down the meanings of the new words. By that you will understand the lesson you will understand the lesson perfectly. So you must know the words, meaning of the words, right? The early phase of Delhi Sultanate was limited to the fortification town. So in 13th century, the control of Delhi Sultanate was limited to fortification town. That means they have limited control up to the only fortification, whatever they had covered the town, that much occupied by their garrisons and few areas of the garrisons. But the Sultan did not control the hinterland of the cities, and where therefore they depended upon the trade or a plunder for the supplies. So what happened? The Sultan did not control the hinterland of the all cities, and only they will cover the nearby areas, where by that they will get a good trade, or they will get a tributary, or they can plunder for the supplies. Means they can snatch the supplies, whatever they are people are coming, they can snatch. उसको लूट के भी खाते थे, ऐसा दिया नहीं तो किसी ने. तो ये सारी चीज़ें भी वो उतने ही लिमिट में था उनके पास. Sultan did not control the hinterland that time. They were only, therefore they are dependent on the trade only, that much. If they covered the hinterland तो उनको ज़्यादा मिलता था और भी strong बनते थे. लेकिन कुछ kings ही, कुछ रूलर ही उतना रूल करे, बाकी के उतना hinterland पर ध्यान नहीं दिया. बाकी के आगे के जो रूलर्स थे वो बहुत चैप्टर थे. They were very clever and they had done so many things. We are going to see gradually. Then now, why they not why they did not, the Delhi Sultan not expanded their frontier in the earlier phase of their rule? Now why they are unable to control all this garrison? There are some reasons. First thing, what, the control the garrison town in the distant region from Bengal to Sindh, from Delhi, it was very difficult. They have to arrange lot of things where there they require manpower, they require money, and there was always no rebellion. There is always there is a war between the people, those who are coming from Afghanistan. So that Mongols, they are invented. They used to they used to come from Pakistan, and the rebellion by the governors and place the big challenge in front of Delhi Sultan. So Delhi Sultan don't want to go in that side only. So they covered their own only their area where they get only the trade, and they also get somewhat tributes, nothing more. So why there are some reasons why they don't want to go for, they expanded their frontiers. Why they don't want to expanded their frontiers means the outline, or the you can say outline, or you can say the extended boundaries, you can say boundaries of that areas. Earlier they were not doing, because it was very, very difficult for them from Delhi to go for to Sindh and Punjab. So people, the Mongols, those are Afghanistan, they used to come and they do rebellion means बगावत करना, बगावत करके फाइट करके उनको इतना बड़ा चैलेंज लगा के दिल्ली सुल्तान के पास रख देते थे. सो इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर दिल्ली सुल्तान टू गो फॉर इट, राइट. So number of the rebellions you can find that time. Number of the rebellion occur at that point of that time. The Sultan barely survived these challenges, because Sultan are not that much stronger to survive this one. They are barely survived these challenges because these people are very strong. The Afghanistan were very strong. The Mongols, those are coming from Afghanistan, they were strong. So it was very difficult for them to stop them. And there was frequently Sultan are weakness also in the Sultan, and the governors are rebellion frequently. They are they were fighting against this sultans. So Sultan were unable to catch the garrisons all together, and they don't want to, that is Delhi Sultanate was not possible. Now next is, now how this expansion of Delhi Sultanate takes place. At that time, before that 13th century, that Iltutmish, at that time it was not that much strong. But which kings makes this for strongness? Which king expanded their territories? We are going to see that, right? The expansion of the Delhi Sultanate took place during the reign of Ghazuddin Balban and Alauddin Khalji and Muhammad Tughlaq. They expanded